Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Maya. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Ready for our shopping trip?
Absolutely. Let's make a shopping list first.
Good idea. It'll save us time.
What's the first thing we need?
We don't have much milk left.
Then let's buy 2 cartons.
That should last the week.
What else is running low?
Eggs? We only have 2 left.
Let's get a dozen.
Perfect. Fresh eggs are always useful.
Should we buy bread too?
Yes, fresh bread sounds nice.
White bread or whole wheat?
Let's try whole wheat this time.
Healthy choice.
We also need some vegetables.
Which ones are on your list?
Tomatoes, carrots, onions, and spinach.
Great. I'll write them down.
Don't forget potatoes.
Thanks for reminding me.
We should buy some fruit too.
Apples or bananas?
Let's get both.
Sounds good to me.
Do we need cooking oil?
Yes, the bottle is almost empty.
Add 1 bottle to the list.
Done.
We also need tea bags.
Good catch. I almost forgot them.
And maybe some biscuits?
Your favorite chocolate biscuits?
You know me too well.
They always disappear first.
That's because they're delicious.
I'll add 1 packet.
Is the list complete now?
Let me take one last look.
Did we miss anything?
I don't think so.
Great. This looks like a good list.
Shopping will be much easier now.
I'll grab the reusable bags.
I'll bring my wallet.
Are you ready?
Ready when you are.
Let's leave before it gets crowded.
Good idea.
I hope we find everything.
I'm sure we will.
This is going to be fun.
Shopping is always better together.
Let's go.
Off to the supermarket.
Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, I folded it and put it in my pocket.
Good. We won't forget anything today.
That's exactly why we made a list.
The weather is beautiful this morning.
It's perfect for a walk.
Should we walk to the supermarket?
Sure, it's only 10 minutes away.
Walking will save fuel, too.
And we'll get some exercise.
Did you bring the reusable bags?
Of course, they're in my backpack.
Nice. We're becoming organized.
We're learning from our mistakes.
Last time, we had to buy extra bags.
I still remember that.
Never again.
Lesson learned.
Look at those flowers.
They're beautiful this time of year.
This walk feels relaxing.
Shopping doesn't have to be stressful.
I can already see the supermarket.
We got here quickly.
It looks a little busy today.
That's okay. We'll take our time.
Should we grab a shopping cart?
Yes, it'll be easier.
I'll wipe the handle first.
Good idea. Here are the sanitizer wipes.
Much better.
Ready to go inside?
Let's start with the vegetables.
Fresh vegetables usually sell out first.
Then we'd better not wait.
I hope the tomatoes look fresh.
And I want some crispy carrots.
We'll pick the best ones.
Shopping together is actually fun.
Especially when no one is rushing.
Thanks for coming with me.
I wouldn't miss it.
Let's make today quick and easy.
And maybe stay within our budget.
I'll try my best.
I know those biscuits might change your mind.
Hey, don't tempt me already.
I couldn't resist.
You're making me laugh.
That's part of the shopping experience.
Okay, where do we begin?
Straight to the vegetable section.
Lead the way.
Right this way.
Today's going to be productive.
And delicious, too.
Let's start shopping.
Here we go.
Wow! The vegetables look so fresh today.
They really do. Let's start with the tomatoes.
I like the bright red ones.
They're firm, too. That's a good sign.
How many should we buy?
6 should be enough for this week.
Perfect. I'll put them in the bag.
Great. What's next?
We need some carrots.
These carrots look nice and crunchy.
Let's take one bunch.
Good choice. They're fresh.
Don't forget the onions.
Should we buy the big ones or the small ones?
The medium-sized ones are easier to cook.
I agree. I'll pick 4.
Thanks. They look perfect.
Spinach is next on the list.
This bundle looks fresh and green.
Let's take it before someone else does.
Good idea.
Do we need potatoes?
Yes, we don't have any left at home.
This bag should be enough.
It isn't too heavy either.
Into the cart it goes.
We also need cucumbers.
These are straight and fresh.
Let's buy 2.
Done.
Should we get some green chilies?
Just a handful. We don't need many.
You're right. A little goes a long way.
Anything else from this section?
Maybe some fresh coriander?
That will make our food taste even better.
I love the smell of fresh herbs.
Me too. Let's grab one bunch.
Our cart is starting to fill up.
Fresh vegetables always make it look colorful.
I'm glad we came early.
We have more fresh choices now.
Everything looks much better than last week.
I noticed that too.
I think we have everything we need.
Let's check once before we leave.
Tomatoes, carrots, onions, spinach.
Potatoes, cucumbers, and coriander.
Looks like we didn't miss anything.
That's because we planned ahead.
Planning really saves time.
And it saves money too.
Ready for the fruit section?
Absolutely.
I can't wait to buy some sweet fruit.
Let's see what's in season.
Come on!
The fruit section is next.
Wow! The fruit section looks amazing!
Everything smells so fresh.
Let's start with the apples.
Which ones do you prefer, red or green?
I like the red apples.
They look sweet and juicy.
Let's pick 6.
I'll choose the freshest ones.
Thanks. You're good at this.
Years of shopping experience.
Now we need bananas.
This bunch looks perfectly ripe.
Not too green and not too yellow.
Exactly. They'll last a few days.
Let's put them in the cart.
Done.
Should we buy some oranges?
Definitely. Fresh orange juice sounds great.
These oranges feel nice and heavy.
That usually means they're juicy.
Let's take 4.
Good choice.
Oh, look at those grapes.
Green or purple?
I like both.
Then let's get 1 pack of green grapes.
Those
look
strawberries
really fresh.
look
Check if
delicious.
they're firm.
They do,
They look
but
perfect.
let's check the price
Into the
first.
cart they go.
You're right. They're a little expensive today.
Maybe we can buy them next time.
That's a smart idea.
We already have plenty of fruit.
Our cart looks colorful now. Healthy food always looks inviting. I can't wait to eat these apples. I'm looking forward to the grapes. Shopping is more fun than I expected, especially when we shop together. I think we're almost finished. Just one more section. The dairy section? Yes, let's get the milk and eggs. I'm glad we made a shopping list. It made everything much easier. We haven't forgotten anything so far.
That's teamwork.
Ready for the next aisle?
Absolutely.
Let's keep going.
Right behind you.
One more stop. Then we'll head to the checkout. Sounds like a plan.
Let's go.
Here we are, the dairy section.
Let's get the milk first.
There are so many brands.
We usually buy this one.
Should we get 1 carton or 2?
2 would be better.
That will last all week.
Into the cart they go.
Next, we need eggs.
Let's check the expiry date.
Good idea. These look fresh.
I'll take this carton.
Thanks.
We also need butter.
Salted or unsalted?
Let's buy unsalted this time.
Sounds good.
What about yogurt?
I feel like trying a new flavor.
How about strawberry?
That sounds delicious.
Then let's take 2 cups.
Great choice.
Now let's visit the bakery.
The fresh bread smells amazing.
It makes me hungry already.
Should we get whole wheat again?
Yes, it's healthier.
This loaf is still warm.
Fresh from the oven.
I can't wait to toast it tomorrow.
Me too.
It'll taste even better with butter. Oh, look! They have chocolate biscuits.
I knew those would catch your eye.
Just 1 packet, I promise.
That's exactly what you said last time.
And I kept my promise.
Well, almost.
Should we grab some tea bags too?
Yes, they're just on this shelf.
Here they are.
Perfect. 1 box should be enough.
Our cart is almost full now.
We found everything without rushing.
And we stayed close to our budget.
That's always a win.
Are we ready for the checkout?
I think so.
Let me take one last look around. Go ahead, I'll wait here. Nope, we didn't miss anything. Excellent. Let's pay and head home. I'm already thinking about dinner. Me too. Let's cook something tasty.
The checkout line isn't too long.
That's good. We won't have to wait much.
I'll place the vegetables on the counter.
I'll unload the fruit.
Be careful with the eggs.
Don't worry. I'll keep them on top.
Thanks. I don't want them to break.
They're safe with me.
We finished shopping faster than I expected.
That's because we planned everything.
The shopping list really helped.
We didn't waste any time.
Excuse me, these flowers are beautiful.
They would look nice at home.
Maybe next time.
Let's stick to today's budget.
You're right.
We can always come back.
It's finally our turn.
I'll move the cart forward.
The cashier is very fast.
That's making things easier.
Everything has been scanned already.
That was quick.
Would you like to pay?
Sure, I'll use my card.
Contactless payment is so convenient.
It only takes a few seconds.
Payment approved.
Great. Here's the receipt.
Let's pack the groceries carefully.
I'll pack the heavy items first.
I'll keep the bread on top.
Good idea. It won't get squashed.
The fruit should go in this bag.
That will keep everything organized.
I think we're all packed.
Let me count the bags.
1, 2, 3.
That's everything.
We didn't leave anything behind.
That's always a good feeling.
Thanks for helping today.
I enjoyed shopping with you.
It was actually fun.
Teamwork makes every job easier.
Are you ready to head home?
Yes, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's cook something delicious.
We bought plenty of fresh ingredients.
Dinner is going to taste amazing.
I can't wait.
Let's grab the bags.
I've got the heavier ones.
Thanks. I'll carry the lighter bag.
Ready to go?
Ready.
Home, here we come.